Welcome back, and how you guys doing? Today we're going to do another Taekwondo online class. I got a really special one. We're going to be doing a front kick class, so we're going to be a little bit shorter than the other classes, and I want to work on this because it'll be modular, and if you want to do it 2 times because you're insane, feel free to do that. So what we're going to work on today is our front kick. We're going to do some exercises, some stretches, and then anything you need just to improve that kick, okay? No equipment needed. Maybe you got a bottle of water on the side you can grab if you're thirsty, but besides that, let's get started. So for the first thing is you're gonna do some marching knees, so bring it up. And this is great because it's loosening up the hip flexors, and having loose hip flexors is really good when you're trying to kick, okay? So this is super easy, but just because it's not hard doesn't mean it doesn't help you, okay? So this is just the beginning. We'll do this for a couple more seconds, and then we'll get on to the next thing. Okay, so now watch this. We just did the marching knees. What we're going to do now is we're going to do a crescent kick stretch, okay? Crescent kick, you just take your foot, you go wide, you go out, okay? So we're just loosening up all the leg muscles here. So shoot it up and around. Let's get it. Let's do like 12%. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more, let's get it. 11, and 12. So unlike the crescent kick, remember, keep your legs straight. We're just stretching right now. So I had this thing here. Hopefully I don't kick it, okay? So up and around for 12. 1, 2, 3, you can keep your hands up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 2, let's get it. 11, and 12. Good job. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to take a seat for a second, do a little sitting stretch. So what I want you to do, so you're going to sit on both your knees like that. Now you're going to take one foot, you're going to straighten it out, and kind of just put this one a little bit to the side. So you have one folded, and you have one straight. So you're going to reach up, and you're going to reach for those toes. So you're going to feel it on the back and your hamstrings, and then this just makes it a little bit harder, okay? So let's go for it. Doesn't matter if you can't reach your toes. Try your best. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, nice. Just flip it to the other side now. So this one's going to be the bent one. This one's going to be the straight one. Same concept here. Ready? We're going to reach up and go forward, okay? Like always, doesn't matter if you can't reach your toes yet. Go as far as you can, but never bend your knee, okay? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna stand back up. So I'm keeping this is like a short workout. Like I said, you can do it 2 times. So we're only gonna do 1 more stretch. And then we'll get on to the main chunk and we can finish up. And like I said, if you're insane, you do it twice, you're in my respect, okay? So the last stretch is just gonna be the normal straight leg stretch. So you're just going to sling it up. You want to get as high as you can, ideally. Now this isn't a kick, so no chamber, straight leg only. Ready? Let's get it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't let that heel turn too much to the bottom. 7. It's okay if it moves a little bit. 8, 9, and 10, okay? We're gonna do the other side now. So it's okay if one side's a little bit less flexible than the other. You just gotta work on it a little bit more, okay? Hands up. Let's get those 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, so we're doing good. Now we're gonna get to the main section, which is gonna be our front kicks. We're gonna keep it short, keep it sweet. We're only going for a few different iterations. We're gonna start with our long front kick, and then we're gonna work on our instant next. Okay, so get in your guard stance, hands up. Long front kick is here. We're gonna be hitting head height, but you can also kick chest height. Mix them up. Let's go. For 10 each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's super important when you front kick to bend it back, because if you don't and you pull it down straight, the opponent can grab your leg and throw you, which you don't want, okay? Bending it back fast makes it harder for them to do that. Let's get those 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, okay? So that's the basic kick. If you have a really good front kick, that's a great weapon for you in sparring, or if you just want to break some boards or kick some punching bags, whatever you want. Instant front kick, same thing with the front foot. So here's what you don't want to do. You want to step and then kick. This stays planted, okay? So you just lean back and then you kick. So let's get those 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So we're gonna mix up the height a little bit because you're not always gonna have the same height to kick at. Hands up. Good stance. Let's get those 10. 1, 2, get back to your stance. 3, 4, 5, hands up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice job. So that's a great thing to do. So we're going to sit down, do another stretch, and we're going to move on. So come take a seat. So what we're going to do is a single leg hamstring stretch. This one's straight, that one's bent, okay? What you're going to do, don't let this knee off the floor. Some people, when they stretch, it goes up. Keep it down, okay? Hands up. You're going to reach for those toes. Try to make sure both hands, not just this one. Want both your hands over there, okay? Let's go. So let's hold it for a little bit. I'll give you a chance to get deep in your stretch because you don't want to rush in stretching. So make sure you're pulling forward. If this hand's having a tough time, make it like crawl. On the other hand, pull yourself in. Okay, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Switch to this side now. Okay. Those toes are right there. Get both of the hands over there. Let's go. Reach up. Straight knees. Leaning forward. Nice. Give you a second to get in. Now, if your leg is pulling up, it means you have tight hamstrings, okay? That's the back part of your leg. So you need to work on that. A lot of people have tight hamstrings, so it's a very common problem. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're gonna stand up now. Ready? So, whoop, right back up top. Okay, so let's get a little bit creative here. Let's get crazy. We're going to try to do a double front kick. Now, before you fall down, we're not doing both feet at the same time because we could do that, but we're not doing that today. So what I want to see is I want to see this. 1, 2. So we'll take it slow in the beginning, and then as we move on, you'll eventually be doing like a real double. So the first round, follow me. We're gonna go 1, 2. So I'm giving you that little gap to prepare, okay? So when you're here, you need to push off with the other foot. So push off, and that's how it gets up. So we're gonna do 6 per side. Let's get it. So switch. That's 1. That's 2. Take your time. That's 3. It's okay if your balance is a little off. You get used to it. 4. And remember, push off with the other foot. 5. Last one, ready? And 6. Good job. Okay, we're gonna go to this side now. So same thing. So this one kicks, it's gonna be in the air. Other one is going to shoot up, and that's how you kick, okay? Just like that. That's 1. Don't worry about the height yet. Height comes with time. It's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Make sure you're still in the stance. Hands up. That's 5. Last one. Ready? That's 6. Good job. Okay. Come take a seat. We're going to do one more stretch, and then after that, we're going to get to the real double, okay? Double leg hamstring stretch now. So 2 feet. It's pretty easy, but it's not, okay? So keep the knees down. I want you to reach up straight back. I want you to go forward and try to touch those. Move my belt. Ready? Touch those toes. Get into position. Now, if you're struggling, I want you to straighten your leg. So do that. Straighten it. Use your muscles. Go for it. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, okay? We're gonna stand up now, and we're gonna get the double. Very good. Okay, so now we're not gonna do such a big gap anymore, okay? So it's gonna be 1, 2. We're still doing 6 of them, okay? But what I mean is we're gonna go, the second it kicks, you start the other foot, okay? No delay. Let's get it. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. That's 6. Wow, that went quicker than I thought it would, okay? Switch sides to here. This is the big mountain. This is the final challenge. I know you can do it. And then you can show everyone at the dojo, look at this new kick I have. Pop, pop, and it will be really cool, okay? Hands up. We got 6. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. Very good job, okay? Take a seat. We have one more thing to do. And that thing is pretty cool. We're gonna do a catcher stretch, okay? So you're gonna be up here on your feet, heels down. Now what you want is you want to push your knees out. You want them out. So you use your elbows. Put the elbows in and push out. You want your knees as wide as they can get. Now you also don't want to be like this. You want to be as straight as you can. Best posture you can hold, okay? We'll hold this for a little bit. I want you to breathe. Take some deep breaths because we're almost done. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna stand up now. You can just lift right back out. We have one more kick to do, and then we're gonna do a little cool down. So it's gonna be a slow motion kick. That's not always easy. If you can do the kick slow, it's a lot harder than doing it fast, because you gotta hold it in the position, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick that rear leg side kick again. We're gonna slow motion kick 5 times each side, okay? Here's the rules though. If you are losing your balance, tighten your core up. If your feet are wobbling and you can't hold them straight, I want you to flex all the muscles in your foot, because then it'll stop the wobbling a little bit, okay? So hands up. Let's get those 5. So slow and down. So that's 1. I want you to hold it for a little bit at the end. Slow and down. That's 2. And that might be hard to get to the super high heights because you have no momentum. 3 back. You're gonna be a little bit lower than normal now. 4. Okay, last one. I know you're tired, but we got it. Ready? 5. Nice job. Switch to this side. You can shake those legs out a little bit. And just get back in the stance. So remember, tight core, tight legs. That's where your balance comes from. And keep your hands up. And that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Keep it up. That's 4. Let's get the last one. And 5. Give me a chummy. So that's the end of the workout. We're just gonna do one thing to loosen up, and that's the end, okay? So come take the seat one last time. It's gonna be a really relaxing stretch, nothing crazy. We're gonna go butterfly, okay? So here, 1, 2. You're gonna want this as close as you can to your body, so pull those feet in. Now, elbows on your knees, and I want you to pull forward, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hold it for 10 seconds up here, and then we're gonna do 10 more seconds super low to the floor. I'm gonna get my nose to the floor. I wanna see how low you can get yourself, okay? Let's go. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go super deep, okay? Maximum depth. Let's go. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that's it. We're gonna take one last stand and finish things off, okay? So congratulations for doing it. This is a very specific class. Just worked on the front kicks. I applaud you for doing it, okay? Thank you for working out at home, staying fit. Maybe you were going for some extra training, or maybe your gym or your dojo ain't open yet. Either way, I hope you really enjoyed this. And if you want to see any type of specific class, you want me to focus on something, just comment it down below. Then I'll make it as soon as I see it, okay? So anyway, just like always, see you next time.